How to fix payment failed issue on Google Play Store. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily fix the payment failed issue on Google Play Store. First thing first, you need to go over to Play Store and make sure that you're logged into your account. Tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen, and from this pop-up, head over to Payments and Subscription. Here you need to first make sure that your payment method is selected or added. So just head over to payment method. As you can see, I've already added a payment method here. If the first one is not working, you can always add another payment method like PayPal, Cash App, or redeem code. You can also buy Google Play credits. And if you tap on it, you can select your credit, tap on continue, and you can add your card and tap to buy. Once that is done, if your payments are still failing, then in that case, you need to make sure that your Play Store is up to date. Go to the profile section again, and then from there, go to settings. Once you're in settings, go to the about section, and you can find the Play Store version down below. Tap on update Play Store. Once you do that, if it says the Play Store is up to date, you're good to go. If not, it will automatically start updating your Google Play Store. Then what you need to do is long press on Play Store, tap on the I button here, go to App Info and scroll down to Storage. You need to clear cache if there is any, and then from there you need to go ahead and clear data. But you have to know that this will clear out all of your account information, so you're going to have to log back in again. Go to Permission. Make sure all of these permissions are allowed, including location, microphone, and contacts. And then finally, you can restart your device once and it should be good to go. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.